1 in 6 deaths in the world occurs due to cancer. The US is projected to spend $4.5 billion this year on cancer research alone. But is all this money going to be well spent, considering that irreproducibility in cancer research is a huge problem? Pharma giant Amgen reported that they failed to reproduce 89% of their cancer research data. That's 89%. This is not surprising for a scientist working in the wet lab like me. Take immunohistochemistry, or IHC for short, for example. IHC is one of the most commonly used techniques in cancer research. This technique is still performed manually by scientists all around the world. This process is highly prone to human error, and it takes a lot of time and money. And with the need to repeat failed experiments, a lot of money and time are wasted. The cost of the reagents used in this protocol is very, very expensive. A tiny drop of antibody, we are talking about 50 microliters, costs €300. That's 12 times more expensive than gold. We are building a robot to automate IHC, thereby eliminating human error, and by cutting down on the need to repeat failed experiments, we are saving researchers time and money. And by freeing up researchers' time and attention on IHC, it will allow them to do other things such as running other experiments or analyze data. This will increase science productivity. And secondly, we are offering researchers a smart cell counting software. Imagine if you have to count each tiny dot on this image. Each tiny dot represents a cell. It will take you hours or even days. By having a smart cell counting software, it will make image analysis quicker and more accurate. And lastly, most machines in the lab are not connected devices. This means researchers will have to go into the lab at weird hours, sometimes only to switch on or off a machine. By having our robot as a connected device, it would mean that researchers can operate the robot anytime, anywhere, allowing experiments to be done 24/7. Our business model is to lease our robot for €10,000 per year, and we require a minimum lease of 5 years. During the lease, we will provide maintenance and upgrade free of charge. This price point is reasonable and is something that researchers interviewed in our survey are willing to pay. To ensure continuous revenue stream, we are planning to sell special glass slides and consumables to be used together with the robot. And a pack of these glass slides will cost €40 per pack, and the consumables are priced differently according to the set needed by the researchers. For the cell counting software, the subscription will be €100 per year per user. I'm proud to announce that we have been selected to showcase our robot at the Connect to End Cancer 2018 event, which is held in conjunction with the South by Southwest in Austin, Texas. And we are also part of the UK's Young Innovators Program and the EU-funded European Regional Development Fund Entrepreneurs Program. And on top of that, we have partnered up with several universities around the world, such as University College London, St. George's Hospital University, University of Geneva, and the National Hospital University of Malaysia. We are a multidisciplinary team combining forces in this one special project to accelerate cancer research. First, we have Iriel, who is our hardware and software engineer. Iriel has 12 years of experience in industrial automation and has worked with notable companies such as Fiat and Lavazza. Then we have Carlo, who is our robotics engineer. Carlo is a graduate from the prestigious Hamlin Center for Robotics in Imperial College London and has worked with several published surgical robots projects. We also have Radosław, who is our machine learning developer. He is actively involved in building machine learning algorithms for the machine vision part of our project and also for the software development. And lastly, I'm Lee, and I'm a biotechnologist with 8 years of research experience. I understand the pain point of my fellow researchers who are working in this field to bring reproducible results in cancer research.